The rest of the two working on this 2005 Ford Taurus, removing the spark plugs. The rear spark plugs, when I first seen this, I thought, oh no, I'm going to have to remove the upper intake manifold and this stuff out the way. And I wasn't really in the mood, so I watched the YouTube video. I forgot the guy's name. I'm about to find his name. And he showed a shortcut, removing the air intake, tubing, and reaching back there and working those spark plugs out. Thank you, sir. I forgot your name. I'm about to find out what it was. But this job is almost done. I got the big three. What I needed? Flathead screwdriver. This adapter. And some tubing that'll fit right on the spark plug so you can insert it back in real easy. And you ready to roll. My ratchet and my spark plug socket and a piece. I'm gonna unplug battery here. Taking the cable off there. Why are you on my video? The rest of the two, we're going to be changing the spark plugs on this 2005 Ford Taurus. I was having a panic attack because I thought you had to move all of this. Oh, no, 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 no. But I heard that if I could get my airflow system off here on the right side, I should be able to access the ones that are in the back with a ratchet and some tubing and a spark plug wrench with a universal adapter to get the ones off that are way back in the rear there. So that's what we're going to attempt to do. So stand by. See that screw right there? Yeah. Where'd it go? Right here. I gotta take this one loose.
I need a glove.
You need a glove?
Yeah.
You gotta tell Grandma. Go see if Grandma got a glove for you. Go tell Grandma you need a glove.
Grandma need a glove. I'm gonna be cold. I'm gonna be cold.
I don't know if I could just get by taking this off. Like this. This cable just goes off here. And turn off. Okay. Now, it's way back behind the engine, and I can feel one spark plug there, and one right there. Then I go way on this side. Okay, the one that's on the right side of the engine, that's in the rear. I stuck my socket wrench through there with my universal adapter and my spark plug socket, and I'm turning to the left as it came loose. There's very little room to move around here. I can only use one hand once I got it loose. If we can't get this out of there. And I'm pulling it up now. And I got my first plug out, the one that was most difficult. Came right out. And there it is. This one came out, the most furthest to the right in the rear, but I was able to get it from this side. And my little universal adapter here. and set it on top of my spark plug socket. And then got this one out. I thought would be the worst one to get out, but I used one hand to turn my ratchet. Had to put this back there. I put this piece on first. I was able to slide my ratchet on with my adapter next. And just with my left hand, I was able to work the spark plug loose, applying pressure, and it came out. The rest of the two, we moving the spark plug on this 2005 Ford Taurus that are in the rear so far. To get the new plug in, I have a piece of rubber tubing. It's going to slide it on top of the spark plug, nice and snug. And this is going to help me get it back in there more easy than trying to use the spark plug socket because it's out of the way. I'm going to take and slide it back under here and locate my hole. I can't show a thing because there's nothing to show. Once I fill this in there, see if I can turn it here and get it. Twist. Then I'm going to pull my tubing off. Once I get it seated pretty good, I'm going to take my universal adapter and my spark plug socket and slide it over that. Okay, I got that one out. So this out the way. Reach way back here. This one's in the middle. Get my socket in there. Set that there. I have it in a different. Have it in the center now. Well, I have it. Before I had it on the socket. Before I had it like this, and like this. Just gonna move it around. I'm gonna take and see if I can get by. Uh-oh. You losing stuff. Try a different position. See if it'll work out. There. And take it, put it here. Try a different option. See what happens. Let's get it back there. Which way back here? Locate it again. Okay, I think I just fucked it. Push down to get this off. Universal might be a hindrance now. We'll try it from that side. Come out. I can push up from this side. Get a hold of it here. Stick them up the markers if I can. I think it is. Double check. Let's see what's going on back here. I think it's turning. Okay, we got him out. The second plug from the rear.